Day 2 in Uzbekistan and our first day in Bukhara. And let me tell you, we barely made it to our 7:30 in the morning high-speed train. After a little morning panic, we finally settled in and started our journey from Tashkent to Bukhara. The train was traveling at an impressive speed of around 250 kilometers per hour. But despite that, the journey still took more than 4 hours. But honestly, the views along the way made the long ride pretty enjoyable. And finally, we made it to Bukhara. Once we arrived, we booked a taxi for around 29,000 Uzbek som, or roughly around 10 dirhams, to take us to our hotel. For the next 2 nights, we stayed at Hotel Juma Del Air Castle, and our stay cost around 98 US dollars, including breakfast. By the time we checked in, we were already starving. So instead of exploring right away, we decided to have a late lunch at Yapona Mama. And surprisingly, the food was not only good, it was very, very affordable. Definitely a nice surprise for hungry travelers like us. After lunch, our original plan was simple: find a souvenir shop or maybe a local bazaar. But somehow, that plan completely changed. Instead, we ended up arranging a private tour around Bukhara's Old Town for about 200,000 Uzbek soms, or roughly around 60 AED for 7 people. And the best part, our private tour was on a golf cart. It was perfect for Bukhara's narrow streets and alleys. Our guide was weaving through traffic like a pro, and the kids absolutely love it. Actually, the adults loved it just as much. Our first stop was Zindan of Bukhara, the city's historic prison. Built in the 18th century, Zindan was used to imprison criminals and political prisoners during the Bukhara Khanate. It gives you a glimpse into the much harsher side of Bukhara's history. Next, we visited the Ark Fortress, one of Bukhara's most iconic landmarks. This massive fortified citadel dates back more than 1,500 years and served as the residence and administrative center of Bukhara's rulers for centuries. Walking around here really makes you feel like you're stepping back in time. From the Ark, we headed to Poyi-Kalon, one of the most spectacular sites in Bukhara. The complex is famous for the Kalon minaret, built in the 12th century, along with the Kalon Mosque and Mir-e-Arab Madrasa. The minaret has stood for centuries and became one of the defining symbols of Bukhara. And trust me, seeing it in person is something else. After that, our guide dropped us near Liabi House or Labi House so we could continue exploring the old town on foot. This area is one of the most beautiful and lively parts of Bukhara, with historic buildings, old madrasas, shops, restaurants, and plenty of little streets to explore. After all that walking and exploring, we definitely earned ourselves a treat. So we ended our evening with some refreshing Turkish ice cream. And what better way to end our first day in Bukhara? From barely catching our train to exploring ancient fortresses, historic prisons, beautiful mosques, and the charming streets of Old Bukhara, Day 2 was definitely one for the books. And this is just the beginning of our Uzbekistan adventure. Follow us for more of our Uzbekistan travel adventures, and we'll see you in the next video.